The Little Boy and the Wise Old Man. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Amir. He was about 10 years old. Amir was curious, full of energy, and always asked questions about everything he saw. Sometimes people laughed at his questions, and sometimes they got annoyed. But Amir could not stop. He wanted to understand the world. In the same village, far at the edge near the forest, there lived an old man named Baba Karim. People called him the Wise Old Man. His beard was long and white. His eyes were deep and calm, and his voice was soft. Many villagers came to him whenever they had a problem. He never shouted, never became angry. He just listened and then spoke slowly, as if each word was chosen with care. One morning, Amir's mother asked him to take some food to Baba Karim. She had cooked bread and soup and wanted to share it with the old man. Amir happily carried the basket and walked to the old man's house. When he reached, Baba Karim was sitting under a big tree. Birds were singing above, and the air smelled of flowers. "Assalamu alaikum, Baba Karim," Amir said politely. "Wa alaikum salam, my child," Baba Karim replied with a smile. "What brings you here today?" Amir gave him the basket and said, "My mother sent food for you." The old man thanked him and invited Amir to sit. The boy sat down, looking around at the quiet place. His eyes were full of wonder. After a few minutes, Amir asked his first question. "Baba Karim, why do birds sing in the morning?" The old man smiled. "They sing because the morning is a new gift. They sing to thank God for life. Just like your mother smiles when she sees you in the morning, the birds sing when they see the sun." Amir's eyes grew wide. "Really? Thought they sang only because they were happy." "That is also true," said Baba Karim. "Happiness makes songs come out of the heart." Amir thought about this. Then he asked another question. "Baba Karim, why are you so calm? Everyone in the village says you are wise. How did you become wise?" The old man laughed softly. "Wisdom, my child, is not a thing you can buy or find in a book. Wisdom comes when you listen more than you speak, when you watch more than you act, and when you learn from every mistake. I am not wise because I am old. I am wise because I have made mistakes, and I remembered their lessons." Amir nodded slowly, though he did not fully understand. He felt that there was a secret in the old man's words. That day was the beginning of Amir's friendship with Baba Karim. Almost every evening, Amir went to visit him, and every time Amir had new questions. The old man never refused to answer. Sometimes he told stories, sometimes he gave examples, and sometimes he just smiled and let Amir think for himself.